Hello everybody, time of recording this is 18:36 on Friday the 2nd of September 2022. We're here with
Trains, buttons, and I.
and
And
we were here with NIR Train Videos 3016 and Girl NIR 402, but they've left now. They literally just left 5 minutes ago. Anyway, so we're at Clipperstown and the video is actually going to start off at Green Island with me and John getting the train here. We're going to see also a steam train because it's the Steam and 80s Festival today. It's on this line. We're going to see Leon's favourite train, 3015. See you when the trains come. Yeah! That was uncalled for. Okay guys, our train's coming. I am also with...
Transport Specialist and Beyond, also known as John the Brat.
John the Brat. So it's a 3000. Is it 3015?
I don't know what 3015.
It's not, it's 3022 I think.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it is 3022.
Off the Carrick for some reason.
Well, you can turn, trains do turn.
I know. Yeah, it's going to platform 3, but it's kind of strange the way they do that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. On my go. Thank you.
This train is for Carrickfergus. The next station is Troopers Lane.
See you at Clipperstown. Whoop. Right guys, we're about to approach Clipperstown. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, that's been left open.
Yeah, that's for the conduct. That's like the guard cabinet.
Aye. Here, here, John. We managed to dodge the fare.
I know, which is good. Like, we can get some food over here.
Yeah. That was good. Sure, that's not the first time we've done that. Okay, we're here now.
Yeah, Leon should be here, yeah.
Leon might not be actually.
Yeah, no, we're here now.
I don't know what platform he's on. Probably this one. Right, let's go. No, I do not see anyone here.
Should we
See you later. Okay guys, 3022 is about to leave. We're just walking up to see where the others went. Holy crap! Look down there. The litter bin must have crapped itself. Yeah, like that.
And what reveals itself? No one.
See you when the next train comes. Right guys, 3000's coming. Hopefully it's 3015. Oh wait. Oh wait, no. I thought it was coupled there. Oh, it's 3022 again. Weren't we like just on that train?
Yes, we were.
Yeah. I did not hear you.
Good job.
I listened well.
Over there, you can see an Erlang, this ADR 73600.
And also over there you can see Carrickfergus Station. See you when the train departs. Right guys, the train's about to depart. I think that the doors are just shutting. Oh, I noticed a few of the lights aren't working. Whoa! What the? 304 and 315. Holy crap! Was not expecting that at all.
Leon's favourite temples are at the back of the van train, 315.
Oh yes. That came zooming past, so it did.
I know, and that's going to Larne Harbour on the Express.
Oh flip, I didn't even know the Express was running this hour.
It's rush hour, that's why.
Oh. Oh why, yeah, so it is. See you guys in the next train or trains come. Okay guys, another 3,000's coming. By the way, John, Leon and Georgia are way over at the other end of the platform. We've switched platforms. I don't know why they went over there. I went here to try and get the best tones possible. Even though we probably won't get any because I don't really ask for them. 3003. Let's hope no more express services go up behind my arse. See you when the train departs. Right guys, the train's about to leave. Three to Belfast Lanyon Place. Writing's a bit glitched. Also, Train Spotting's NI is also due to come here too. See you when the next train comes. Right guys, 3,000 is on its way. John, what the hell?
Oh, by the way, we're Train Spotting's NI too.
And you're also with...
I mentioned that I was with you.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
I didn't. I was probably well over there. Yes, we're with... This is our biggest meetup yet. Transport Specialist Ireland and Beyond, Train Spotting's NI. NIR Train Videos 316 and Girl NIR 402.
I saw Charlie right there.
Cord?
Yeah.
Nah, he's not coming.
He's at Lisbon.
He's not in Lisbon, he's in
Where's the
Lisburn.
person?
Like, I was gonna say, what the hell is he doing up in Portugal?
This is
301... Oh, Leon.
316.
Yeah, 316.
316 my favourite train.
Like your legitimate favourite train. See when the train departs. Train's about to train's about to depart. I should probably record in the middle now. Pretty 16 to nowhere. See you when the next train comes.
You know what?
Yeah, first 4,000 of the day.
I'm
Can't
gonna
be
try and get the
bothered.
horn here.
Why are they going all the way down there?
I don't know.
Please give us some good tones. You're a 4,000. You can. I know you can do this. Come on. Oh, come on. 407 to Larntown.
We did it to Leon.
That is so unfair.
Yeah, to Leon. Oh, man.
Hey, John, I just caught that voice crack on camera.
Did you get a horn there?
See you when the
Then why did
other
you
train
not give
comes.
it the horn?
Right, guys, a 4,000 is coming. And he just farted.
My ass burp.
Yeah.
I burped again.
McFarlane's chatting away to those adults there.
Yeah, I was going like this here.
Oh, I listened to Lisburn, I forgot about that. It's 4013. Oh, hey, Charlie.
Oh,
Hi, Charlie. I didn't know you were here. Hey, Charlie. Yes, yes, Charlie, didn't know you were here. See ya. Georgia. Alright, sorry. Huh? Alright. I think you're being told off.
That was unexpected.
That was unexpected, but nice, yeah. Do you see that? I got told off because I was standing like on the yellow line. Right, let's see at the part. I was not expecting that at all. It was very nice. Oh, yes. You predicted that right. That was an unexpected but a much needed cameo of Train Videos NI.
I wish I was driving already, you know.
Same.
I'm only 14, I was on 7.
Yeah, only 3 years to 3 years to go. Then you'll be able to. Right, see when the next train comes. Right, another 3,000's coming. John, what?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Are you?
I'm sat here, I don't know. There we go.
I don't know either, mate, to be honest. Oh, it's got a logo on it.
Sadly, it's not the train that we expected.
Ah, it's 3:07. That's way ahead.
307, so my head.
And the lights are coming on because it's getting dark.
Because it's...
See when the train departs. Right, the train's about to depart. Yes. .307, the Whitehead.
That'll probably be it until the steam train comes, which will probably be a separate video.
I don't know when. Oh, I don't know what time it is. 18:19. Yeah, the steam train's coming pretty soon. Oh, for God's sake, no! No!
Fuck's sake.
For God's sake,
Oh, I hate you, car.
Fuck.
this better not be the train to ruin.
I'm gonna turn you into an 80s class.
I'm gonna turn you into an alien.
An alien class.
An alien class, yeah. Anyway, guys, 3,000's coming. Like, this is actually pants and socks and vest.
Yeah, it does. I mean,
316.
it's the answer of a train.
316, you better not betray Leon because he'll be very devastated. I am not going over to that side again. Hey!
Not my favourite train at the moment because it overtook the steam.
See you when the train departs.
Oh my friend.
That's true, that's true. The train's about to depart. Oh, guys, look! The light's broken. On headlight, it's broken on the top.
That doesn't usually be on
Four
the
and five,
back.
so it's a broken light on the top too.
That doesn't be on the back.
3016 really needs to get that fixed.
Oh,
five
light,
Oh, we need to look what's over there. Guys, no, Leon, look over there.
Alex!
Alex!
Look at all this thing.
Look, it's coming!
It's coming.
Come on, quick!
Oh, here it comes at a really slow speed.
It's really slow. Well, obviously.
Quick! Ooh.
I like how you're just staring into space, Georgia.
Yeah, I like staring at people.
I said into space. You
Whoa.
are so lucky. Holy crap!
It's smoking.
It's smoking, yeah. I think it smoked one too many cigarettes. That's literally what I just said, Georgia. It's smoked one too many fags. So it has.
Yeah.
And he just dropped his coat.
Get us a whistle.
Gotta get a whistle.
Give us a whistle.
Yeah, please.
Aye.
Anyways, 131.
The signal is... Can't see.
It's green.
It's green.
It's great.
Excuse me.
It is 22.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Cheers.
Oh my god, guys, yes.
Here, Alex, you go.
Yeah. It's round the wrong way again.
It's going down.
I think someone was recording there. I wonder who was recording us. I think it was Wakeful or something. Right, that's 131 away. See you later. But see you when the next train comes. Yeah. Right, guys, train is coming and John is being weird again.
It's my autism kicking up.
Yeah, same bro. Mate, I think we're all on the spectrum. Whatever. 3022, we were on this. No, it's off the Larne Harbour. No, we're not. We're getting 304 and 315, I think. I forgot about that. See you when the train departs. We'll try to. So, the train is about to depart.
It has a USB sign on it.
Does it?
Yeah, right there on the... Look, it looks like it has a USB sign on it.
Oh.
Alright.
I wish I had more than two hands so I could cover both ears and record with one. With one hand, not... You can't record with an ear, can you? If you can, that'd be pretty stupid. .022 to Larne Harbour. And the next one should be the 1856, because that's the one me and John are getting back. See you when the train departs. Okay, this is me and John's train. Yay. By the way, sorry for saying see you when the train departs on the last video. I meant to say see you when the next train comes. Sorry about that. John, you okay?
Yeah, that was something in my mouth.
Alright, I'll see you when the train comes closer. So, me, again, as I said, me and John are getting this train back home. Well, yeah, I guess. .407. That's what we're getting on.
Yeah, 45's not lost.
And McFarlane's head's in the way.
Bruh.
Oh. Aye, we're getting off. Bye, Alex. See ya.
This train is for Great Victoria Street. The next station is Trippers Lane.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Fuck you.
See you at Green Island.
The next stop is Green Island.
I did not mean to start recording, but we're about to get off at Green Island.
Since we're down the viaduct.
Yes, I've won. Yeah, we both got tickets. I heard a parrot making that notification noise once. Yeah. Ding! I can't do it. Oh, has this seriously been here this whole time? Holy crap! It has not been here the whole time.
Yeah.
Right, we're not. I don't think we're going to record the train departing, but This is a goodbye from me and
Transport specialist and beyond.
all the others who were featured in this video. Goodbye and good night.